Hey there, it's Jennifer. Guess what? I've got something super exciting to share with you today. Brace yourself for an inside scoop on the amazing Making Waves money mind hack, a total game changer. I can practically feel your curiosity buzzing through the screen, wondering if this product is the real deal. Well, guess what? I'm about to spill all the juicy details, so buckle up and stay tuned. This mind-blowing program aims to revolutionize the way we perceive finances, paving the way for more prosperity and abundance in our lives. Picture this a treasure trove of techniques and tools designed to flip our money mindset on its head. But hey, let's keep it real. Results may vary because, life's diverse like that. The magic lies in your commitment and consistently applying these incredible techniques. Now, let's dive into the magical benefits of these financial mind hacks. Not only does it spruce up your relationship with money, but it's also your go-to for boosting financial confidence, setting kick-ass goals, and taking control of your financial destiny. Experts are raving about how it transformed their ability to seize economic opportunities. And here's the real kicker. It's a lifeline for those tired of being stuck in negative thought patterns around money. I did some digging, and the testimonials are off the charts. Folks claim to have hit the jackpot, experiencing a significant uptick in their financial lives. And guess what? There's a satisfaction guarantee, a massive plus. Apple, imagine the 60 days to try it out. And if you're not over the moon with the results, you can hit them up for a refund. Talk about a safety net. And it's a big but, here's the D, steer clear of shady imitations. Go straight to the official website. It's your golden ticket to the real deal. Unfortunately, there's a bunch of fakes out there, so don't get caught up in the web of deception. How to transform your financial life? Money Mind Hacks might just be your ticket to the big leagues. Check out the link in the video description for the official website. And hey, if you've got thoughts on this gem or you're thinking about giving it a shot, drop those comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and smash that subscribe for more mind-blowing content like this. Get ready to supercharge your finances, my friends. Let's make those money moves together.